Good morning students, welcome to your science class. The explanation has been done of lesson 2. So today we will start our exercises of this lesson. Okay, so you have to do your work properly, neat and clean, and send your homework in the group properly. Okay, so let's start our class. Question number first is, name the major nutrients in our food. Okay, so the answer of this question is, the major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. These are the major nutrients found in our food. Next question is, name the following. First, the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body, that is carbohydrates and fats. Next one, the nutrition that are needed for growth and maintenance of our body. We had discussed about these things that protein is essential for growing age and to growing body, and basically protein is called body building food. So nutrients that are needed for growth and maintenance of our body is protein. Third, vitamins required for maintaining good eyesight is vitamin A. Minerals that is required for keeping our bones healthy, calcium. Vitamin D is also important, but here it is asking minerals, not vitamin. So if it is asking minerals, then you have to write the calcium. If it will calcium helps to absorb the vitamin D. Okay, so minerals, if it is asking mineral, then you have to write the calcium. If it is asking vitamin, then you will write the answer vitamin D. Okay, once you have to see this table, which disease is caused by the deficiency of which minerals. Okay, first vitamin A. If there is a lacking of vitamin A or deficiency of vitamin A, what disease can cause is loss of vision or night blindness. Loss of vision or night blindness, these diseases can be caused by deficiency of vitamin A. Symptoms: poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Next, vitamin B1, beriberi. What is the symptoms? Weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C, scurvy, bleeding gums, won't take longer time to heal. Deficiency of vitamin D, rickets, bones become soft and bend. Calcium, bones and tooth decay. Weak bones, tooth decay. Iodine, goiter, glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. Iron, anemia, weakness. Okay, these are the vitamins and minerals, and these are the disease and disorder. Okay, and these are the symptoms. So deficiency of these minerals or vitamins, these diseases can be caused, and these are the symptoms. I have given you homework to do this. I have given you homework to write this table in your copy. I hope you have done it. Okay, next, name 2 foods each rich in fat. You have to write the food name in which these minerals or are found. Okay, fat, oil, butter, starch, potato, rice, dietary fiber, fruit and beans, protein, fish and milk. You can write other sources also, that is not necessary you have to write which I have written. If you want to write other sources you can write it, but it should be correct. Okay, tick the question number 4, tick the statement that are correct. By eating rice alone we can fulfill nutrition's requirement of our body. False. It is not only rice. If we are eating only rice, the um, nutrition's requirements are fulfilling? No. So it is false. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating balanced diet. Yes. By eating balanced diet, the deficiency disease can be prevented. So it is true. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Yes. For balanced diet, we have to contain a variety of food items, means rice, chapati, vegetable, curd. We have to include a different types of food. So it is true. Meat alone is sufficient to prevent all nutritions of our body. It is false. Okay, only meat. All the nutritions cannot be fulfilled by eating only one food or one food item. So to fulfill the all nutritions we have to eat all kind of food or all different variety of food. So meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrition to the body. It is false. Okay, so that's it. We will do fill up in the next step. You have to write question number 1, 2, 3, 4 in your copy. So till then, thank you.